Hello at a new video channel. This is mr.does, mr.adoes, whatever you wanna call me, mr.adoes, mr.does, Ahmed. I don't care what you call me. Now I'm gonna be making pancakes. Let's get into it. Now I'm gonna show you the ingredients that you'll need. Well, you'll need eggs, then a little salt, uh, some milk and flour, and bleach. Oh, no, not bleach. Wait. And some chocolate. If I want bleach, that's a personal preference. I want bleach in my food. Let's get into the actual pancakes. So first you got the eggs, and you do this. Put on that salt first. Don't put much. Just that's enough. Start with the milk. I'm gonna start with the milk. But probably the ratio is about, for every cup of flour, you're gonna need a cup and a half of milk. Add in some more milk, cause yeah, why not? You can. Or then put in some flour. You know what? That's enough. Next step is putting them in a pan, then eating. You get a pan and you put, you just do that for a while, and after like half a minute like that, well, I'm gonna come back. Alright, like after some time, you just get that, and you put very little, very little, like that. You can put much more. You got that thing, and thing that you made, put that up, have that, and the zinger. Try to put it all over. And you're gonna need that thing to ease your way out. Like that. And well, you have to get a little lock like that. Then after you do that, you can do the flip. Now that fire you can put it down a little. And ta-da! And you ask yourself, is the only reason why I made this video is to show off my ability to flip pancakes? And the answer is yes. Just that. Make sure that the fire is a little lower than before. From that you just tweak a little and again. After you wait for a while, now you got that thing, flip it another time, and ta-da! It's looking pretty good. So you got a plate, and you put it on there, and you serve. Put on chocolate, put on whatever, put on cheese. You have unlimited options. On the second one, oh no, forgot to hide that. On the second one, you don't put oil. We don't need another oil, more oil. So you get that. Yeah, and you put it here. And after it's done, you do that for a bit, and another flip. But ta-da. Yeah, you go on like that. On the third one you don't put oil, and on the fourth one you put on oil. And that is it for now. Throw it away. And now play around with it till it's kind of like that. And after you finish doing that, put it in the fridge. And you can put them again on the pan to make them hotter or whatever. I'll show you. And then you just put it off, and then you just eat. Tastes great. Alright, that's all. There's nothing else to it. It's so easy and tasty. I like it. Do it as a breakfast. Do it as a dinner. As a snack. I don't care. I don't care really. Do whatever. So yeah. Bye. Tastes great.